Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are starting today lesson number 3 of the Arabic alphabets. Next letter is Dal. Start from D and say Dal. Next letter is Zal. Zal. Like you put of your tongue between of your teeth and then you say of this letter Zal, not Zal. Zal, Zal. Next letter is Ra. This is a heavy accent letter. Ra. When you are reading of Ra, you need to be open your mouth and then you say of this letter Ra. And next letter is Za. Za. And you made it stress in your voice and then you pronounce of this letter Za. Za. And what is the difference in between Zal and Za? Both are starting with the Z. Zal sound is coming as lightly sound. The Zal, Zal. And Za is coming stress in your voice and then you say of this letter Za, Za. So this is 4 letter of is in this lecture: Dal, Zal, Ra and Za. Thanks.